Hello my angels, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, hi, I'm Tiyasha. I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle related content in this channel. Please take a moment and subscribe and also press the bell icon so you will be notified every time I post. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you my empties. So I have lots of products with me today. If you are interested to see what I have emptied, please keep on watching. So first I have two shampoos with me. First one is this Indulekha Bringo hair cleanser. So this is one of my favorite shampoo. I am using this since 2017 or something and I just love this shampoo. So definitely a thumbs up from me. Next shampoo is this India onion shampoo and I bought this in a PR and I genuinely like this shampoo. But if you oil your hair and there is a lot of oil and hair mass in your hair, then this is not for that time. Otherwise, this is a really good shampoo, and this is also SLS, paraben and all harmful chemical free. So this is really good. If you follow curly girl method, this is also a great one for you. Next is this Bioderma's micellar water, and this is such an amazing product and I just love this one. So I got this in my PR and I have like 3 or 4 bottles of this. So that much I love this product. So definitely a great one if you use makeup every day or if you use sunscreen. Definitely try this one. It has a little bit in it, but I thought, why not show it to you? And this is definitely a great product. You can definitely purchase. Next, I have two face wash. This is Bioderma Cevian Purifying Foaming Gel, and this is most gentle face wash I have ever used. You can definitely try this one. If you have oily skin, if you have sensitive skin, it will work like magic. So you can definitely check this one out. Next, I have finished this Himalayas Neem face wash and this is a cult favorite. You know, this is a great product, especially for normal skin. This is not a very good for dry skin, but this is a great product. Next product is this. This is Nivea's shower gel and this is their blueberry scent one. So this is uh, this is not a bad product and not harsh on your skin, but I like more fragrance in my body wash. So this is not good for me. Next, I have two body lotions. This is from Mamaearth and this is their Cocoa body lotion. This is good for dry skin people, and if you use this on winter, you can definitely use this. But in summer, this is little bit heavy on my skin. So yeah, but this is a good product. Next one is this Himalayas baby lotion. So I love baby products and I think those are more gentle than our products. So I love this one. This is this is so good for summers. I think this is the best body lotion I have ever used. So if you have oily skin like me, and if you live in such humid weather, you can definitely check this one out. Next one is this body butter, and this is from Assure. So this is their peach body butter, and you can see there is a little bit product left. So this is actually a body butter, so this is little heavier than the body lotions. If you have dry skin or you want to use this in winters, you can definitely use this. This is a good body butter, but I think not for this humid weather, so a good one. Next is this Patanjali's aloe vera gel, and I love this product. Many people don't like this one, but I love this. Yeah, I love this. This is cheap. It does its job. So this is good product for me at least. Next one is this. This is Mother's Purse eye cream, under eye cream, and Mother's Purse is a great brand, but I don't know what to expect from an under eye cream because I don't have dark circles or puffy eyes, so I don't know what to expect. So I think this is a good product, but I don't know should I judge it or not. I'm really confused about under eye creams. So if you can try this one. I'm not telling you to buy this, or I'm not telling you to not to buy this. So you can choose whatever. Next, I have one makeup empty. So this is Blue Heavens foundation, and this is my first foundation, and I completely ran out of it. So do I like this? No, but I don't hate it. This is a very okay-ish foundation. I bought it for 60 rupees. Yeah, 60 rupees. So for 60 rupees, it is a good one, but it has only 2 shades. So I don't think this will be a good match for everyone. So you can pass. Last empty is this nail polish remover from Trends. It has vitamin E, and this is also accident free. So this is a very bad product. Yeah, this one is a very bad product. I hate it. Why? Because whenever I used it, my nails started breaking. Yeah, I don't know why, but my nails started breaking, and after I finished it, I saw my nails are they behave perfectly. So I don't think this one is a good product. So you can definitely pass it. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your empties list, and I will be back really soon. Till then, you can follow me on my Instagram, Tiyasha Mishra Official and Tiyasha_Mishra. And you can also follow me on my trail account, that's Tiyasha Mishra Official. And I will be back really soon. Till then, bye bye.